before we're doing is the fusioning. All right, give for 60 seconds. I almost show everyone with blossom gel. I'm gonna take a note. We're gonna do that tomorrow, blossom gel, and how you can create the marble with blossom gel. My cute little bunny ears, little pens right here. Just show you that I am taking a note. We are doing a blossom gel tomorrow. I have the list of today, so blossom gel. And who asking for the green nails? The green I think a jade nails, right? Is that Pauline? And who is that? Is my Instagram. That's cute. I know, they're super cute. So that I know that if I forget it somewhere, I can see that. Hey, Jessica. Great. Oh, it looks so nice and sway matte. And I'm using it from this mat right here. I just need to close it so it won't spill. I have my 2 nails requests for tomorrow, blossom gels and then green jade nails. And now we're gonna do some fusion ink. And this is a special for you who is beginners. I'm gonna need the thinking green. And is from my love to all of you. I'm not using this one. Another paper. Let's see how this one turned out because it's interesting. We did it yesterday too. Oh, it looks good. Fabulous. This is for all beginners who start playing with the fusioning. Our fusioning is like a really, really thin. Oh, hey, Angela. Great question. It's awesome questions that I'm so glad you mentioned. So here is the what kind of things on the treasure box. So the treasure box is content on the contents in there is worth value of over $100. And it comes variety of different randomly different, like you're probably gonna get the package with diamond dust pixie and then different every time you get it, and then also you get the glitter, or you might get crystal jars. You get your 2, which is sometimes you see your is coming with your precision glue, or you might see your condensed glue gel in a smaller jar or bigger jars. You also can receive like gel painting 40 gels, any sort of thing that you see on our website, over 700 different items that will be possibly in your treasure box. So everybody been so excited about that, and the value is more. We say $100, so then for you to see something is looking, but there's a lot of value more. And when you pick the different theme, which is the Easter, or if you pick Valentine or Easter, which is special, you know, like for that special occasion, then you see a lot of theme, a lot of products for especially, like for instance for Easter, you will see something is like all in theme with Easter, or if you're getting the one with Valentine, you see everything with the Valentine. So there are still left for special occasion with Easter. A lot of people still love Easter because it's still in springtime. You know, you can use it throughout the years. But the value is really great, and you only get it for $49.99. So I'm so thrilled. I'm so excited about that. So after I did like about 3 or 4 coats of fusioning, and the colors I pick is thinking green. You can do it in a white base. You can do it in a yellow base, and you can do it in like a nude, beige, whatever colors that your clients like. You don't have to necessarily doing it white, but white usually is pull out some really good colors. And I am going to using crystal clear. And that is the same. A lot of questions will ask how to prevent from getting bleeding and its blurry look. So I am going to using crystal clear. Just tap just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot because a little go a long way, and I'm wiping my brush before I dip it back into the bottles because I don't want the contaminating from a green get back to my bottles, because the next time if I'm using a different colors, then it might turning instead of pink or yellow, it might be a green in it, so I don't want that happened. So make sure you wipe it first. It's so simple and easy to do. I promise if you do exactly what I share, and then you might have some cool other techniques. I think it's great. Just combine that and then see if this one is work great for you. Then you can definitely use that. We did one of the colors nails yesterday. I will share with any of you who using the press on for your service for clients, because your clients that some of you that couldn't go back to work until like is maybe next month, hopefully soon, and will be safe. And I got to share for last 2 videos at to how to able to do with press on and glue on nails, so hopefully it's help. And if you want to see it more, you let me know. We can do it in the next few videos because we want to do live all weeks except Sunday. So I would love to be here to absolutely support you ladies, and so then you can all doing it really great and feel so confident in what you're doing. Great. So if you want more and modifies, or you want more different look for your veins, you can. And I am going to do some veins on this, and then we do some butterflies and flowers, and this nail will be really called good. It's just like, you know, cool, simple. Okay, I'm gonna using my Forever Jet Black because every time you throw a black in there, it's really give it dip. I am going to use my twin tip brush and just little you don't have to be like really perfect. And I'm gonna use it, and I am going to using chamfer foil. We did like all different way. We did like with gel painting, and we did with chamfer foil. So I'm trying to doing alternates like a different way, so the variety, so then you can choose which one you would like. Or sometimes your clients like some of my clients is like gel painting, some love the chamfer foil, so like it depends on your clients. And the same thing when you're doing your press on, you might know the taste from your clients as well. That's it. Awesome. Great. So I'm gonna cure this one for 30-second flash cure. Great. In the meantime, I am going to drop 1 drop of my chamfer foil gels, premium chamfer foil gels. Wipe this brush off. And this is premium's IHO chamfer foil gel. Just 1 drop. You don't need a whole lot. Okay. And you do pick up the using the twin tip brush and pick up some of chamfer foil. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Just in case you're just tuning in, welcome to our live tutorial brought to you with all techniques and share the techniques. Want something you have, it's like similar at the salon, you can really enjoying it. And I'm gonna keep for 30 seconds. This premium's iHo chamfer voice only need to keep for 30 seconds. If you are keying for 60 seconds, it's absolutely fine. But on the others, which is the white bottle of chamfer foil, you need it to keep for 60 seconds in a good lamp. Okay. Oh, Sarah back. Great. So I have a piece of my foil. So either which one you get from the kits. I'm using the ones, there's so many different ones. I'm gonna using that's one from this forever. I'm like, take me forever to use them all. This one or the other ones, the hollow or the solid. So however you would like. And just give it a little bit. Press on. Oh, it's already take it off for me. It's only chamfer where you apply your chamfer foil gels. Great. So now I am going to pick some butterflies. Daisy. What is Daisy is this Daisy gonna do to us? You think? Should we try this little one? Let me see. It's really easy. Maybe next day we can share with you how to do this simple daisy with using a gel painting with this precision, like Sarah was sharing your yesterday live video. She did really cool with this French. It's so amazing. It's super duper easy. I'm so obsessed with this. Look at that. You can do another one. Cool. Okay. And then you can also do it this one too. They're different shape. I like that. Can you see me on Instagram? Cool. Okay. I'm doing some butterflies right there. I liked her. Soon. All right, Pauline, are you here, sweetie? This is for you because you asked for it. Hope you enjoying it. And I'm gonna do half of her, and then I'm using one in the center to do some crystal placements. I'm really obsessed with that.